Welcome to a Panther Security Systems Limited how-to video. This video is to demonstrate how to change the battery in a PIR sensor. When your control panel tells you that you need to change the battery in one of your sensors, the first stage of the process is to completely unscrew the small screw at the bottom of the sensor. To remove the front cover, you need to pinch the base of the detector by putting pressure on the front part of the unit here. The front cover then lifts off by hinging it upwards. The battery is at the top of the unit and simply pulls out from the spring clips holding it. The positive or plus terminal of the new battery is placed at the plus sign on the circuit board. The front cover is then put back by first hooking the top and then hinging it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screw on the bottom of the unit and the job's done. Thank you for watching.